We're going to cover toe kick holes, or a cabinet that has toe kick leg levelers that require a hole in the bottom of the cabinet. So we are not going to use the toe kick notch option, but we're going to set it up to where there is a hole placed in the bottom of the cabinet, or a series of holes placed in the bottom of a base cabinet. So to set this up, we're going to go to Tools, then Settings. Using the drop-down box to select the cabinet type that we want this feature to be applied to, I'm going to uncheck the cabinet notch, add toe kick holes. Then we're going to come over and take a look at the settings for the toe kick holes. This is the cutting feature, how you will apply the tool paths for it. The depth of the hole. Any cabinet that is 30 inches or greater will have the series of holes, 2 holes in the center. The diameter of the hole, how far inset they are from the edge, inset from the front, and inset from the back. So we will save these settings. We will take a look at that script option in just a bit. Once those settings are made, we can see the toe kick notch is unchecked, but the toe kick holes is checked. I'm just going to go to File, New. Enter in a cabinet that's 15 wide, 30 high, 24 inches deep, clicking Nest. We now have 4 holes for the leg levelers. Now, it could be the case that your leg leveler has or needs another series of holes around the perimeter of each of the holes. We could do that using the script function. So I'll just go File, New to set up a new job. Go into Tools, Settings. Using the drop-down box to select a base cabinet. The toe kick holes check is already checked, but we do want to modify the settings for us to be able to use the scripting feature. We also want to have the default hole applied, so that is still going to get us the 4 holes. Then we will have a series of 4 other holes that are around the outside of the main hole. So once that is set, we'll save, we'll close the settings. Enter in a base cabinet to our list, calculate and nest. We will now have 4 holes around the outside of each of the other main holes. They can be toolpathed just the same way that any other feature of Cabinet Parts Pro is toolpathed.